All right, let's talk about how you can remove table formatting from a table within Excel. So here we have our table, and the giveaway to know that this is formatted as a table is this little marker in the bottom right corner of our data set or of our range. And that'll tell us that it's formatted as a table. And if we click within this data set, this little table design ribbon is going to appear. When we click out of it, that will disappear. So clicking back into it, if we go up to the table design and we go all the way over to table styles and hit this drop down and go all the way down to the bottom and hit clear. That's going to remove any formatting that was created when the table was inserted. Now I can still highlight this and bold it, or say I want to change it this color. I can still do all of those things manually, and if that's the case, then I would need to manually apply no fill, unbold, and manipulate those cells manually if they weren't part of the table design formatting. Now, if I want to remove this table entirely to just turn it into a data range, I can select my entire table here, go up to the table design ribbon, and then I'll select convert to range. And then hit yes, and that's going to remove the table, and you'll notice that little marker in the bottom right corner is now gone. So now we just have a data range and we no longer have a table. But there you have it. That's how you can remove table formatting in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.